Subject.
Art, music, PE, IT, English, an English teacher, a singer, a painter, maths, a maths teacher. Hi, Ling. What subjects do you have today?
I have English, science and maths. I like art. What's your favourite subject?
It's PE.
What's your favourite subject, Nam?
It's English.
Why do you like English?
Because I want to be an English teacher.
Page 59. Lesson 2. Activity 4. Listen and number. 1.
Why do you like art?
Because I want to be a painter.
2.
Why do you like maths?
Because I want to be a maths teacher.
3.
Why do you like music?
Because I want to be a singer.
4.
Why do you like English?
Because I want to be an English teacher.
I like drawing. My favourite subject is art. I like singing. My favourite subject is music. I like running. My favourite subject is PE. I like computers. My favourite subject is IT.